Welcome to your channel, Slow English for You.
Hi, Chelsea. You look tired today.
Hi, Charlie. Yes, a little. It was a long day.
Really? Tell me about your day. I want to hear everything.
Okay, but you first. How was your day, Charlie?
My day was busy. It started very early. I woke up at 6 in the morning.
6? That is early. What did you do first?
First, I stayed in bed for 1 minute. I looked at the ceiling. I really wanted to sleep more.
I understand. I always want more sleep, too. And after that?
Then I got up. I went to the bathroom. I brushed my teeth and washed my face.
Cold water or warm water?
Cold water. It helped me wake up.
Nice. And breakfast? Did you eat well?
Yes. I went to the kitchen. I made coffee and toasted some bread. I also ate 1 banana.
That sounds simple but good. Did you look at your phone?
Yes, I did. I checked my messages. I also checked the weather for the day.
And how was the weather?
It was sunny, but a little cold, so I took a light jacket.
Good idea. What time did you leave home?
I left home at 7:30. I walked to the bus stop.
Did the bus arrive on time?
Not really. The bus was 10 minutes late. I waited and looked at people on the street.
What did you think about while you waited?
I thought about my day. I planned my tasks at work. I also listened to some music.
Good. Music in the morning is nice. And when the bus arrived?
I got on the bus. It was a little full. I did not find a seat, so I stayed standing near the door.
I do not like when that happens. How long was the bus ride?
About 20 minutes. I watched the city from the window, people walking fast, cars in traffic, a normal morning.
And then you arrived at work?
Yes. I arrived at 8. I said good morning to my coworkers. Then I turned on my computer.
What was the first thing you did at work?
I checked my emails. There were many messages. My boss sent me a new task.
A difficult task.
Not very difficult, but it needed time and attention. I had to prepare a simple report.
Did you work alone or with a team?
I worked alone at first. Later, I asked a coworker some questions. We talked for a few minutes.
And the morning? Did it pass fast or slow?
It passed fast. I was focused. Suddenly, it was lunchtime.
Where did you have lunch?
I went to a small restaurant near the office. I ordered rice, chicken, and salad. I drank water with lemon.
Sounds healthy. Did you eat alone?
I ate with 2 coworkers. We talked about movies and weekend plans.
That is nice. And after lunch? Did you feel sleepy?
Yes, a little. After lunch, I always feel a bit sleepy. But I drank another coffee. Then I felt better.
What did you do in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I finished the report. I also had a short meeting with my boss. We talked about next week.
Was your boss happy with your work?
Yes. He said, "Good job, Charlie." That made me feel very good.
I am happy for you. And what time did you leave work?
I left work at 5:30. I walked slowly to the bus stop. I was a bit tired.
How was the bus in the evening?
It was full again. People looked tired and quiet. Many people were on their phones.
And you? What did you do on the bus?
I listened to a podcast. It was about simple habits for a better life. I liked it.
Nice. And when you arrived home?
I arrived home at 6. I took off my shoes. I sat on the sofa for some minutes. I just breathed and relaxed.
Did you cook dinner?
Yes, I cooked pasta with tomato sauce. Simple but delicious. I watched a show while I ate.
And after dinner?
I washed the dishes. Then I called my mom. We talked for 10 minutes.
That is sweet. Do you call her every day?
Not every day, but I try to call her often.
And how did you finish your day?
I read a book for a while. Then I turned off the lights. I went to sleep around 10:30.
Your day was full. Now it is my turn. I will talk about my day.
Yes, please. I want to know everything.
My day started later than yours. I woke up at 7:30. I was still very sleepy.
Did you get up right away?
I stayed in bed for 10 minutes. I looked at my phone. I scrolled social media a little.
That is dangerous. Time passes fast.
Yes. When I looked at the clock again, it was almost 8. I jumped out of bed.
Did you have time for breakfast?
A very quick breakfast. I drank coffee and ate a small toast. Then I ran to get ready.
Did something go wrong in the morning?
I spilled a little coffee on my shirt. I had to change my clothes.
Oh no. That is annoying.
I know, but I changed fast. Then I left home.
How did you go to work?
I went by car. The traffic was slow. Many cars on the road.
Did you listen to music in the car?
I put on my favorite playlist. It helped me stay calm.
What time did you arrive at work?
I arrived a little late. My boss looked at me, but she did not say anything.
You were lucky. What did you do first at work?
I opened my notebook. I made a list of my tasks. I had many things to do.
Did you feel stressed?
At the beginning, yes. But I decided to do one thing at a time. That helped me stay calm.
Good strategy. And your morning at work?
I answered emails. I called 2 clients. I prepared some documents.
Did you have any problem with a client?
One client was a little impatient. He wanted everything very fast. I spoke slowly and clearly. In the end, he was calmer.
You did great. And lunch. Where did you eat?
I brought lunch from home. I ate in the small kitchen at work. It was rice, vegetables, and chicken.
Did you eat alone or with someone?
I ate with a friend from work. We talked about our weekend plans.
And the afternoon? Was it easy or hard?
The afternoon was mixed. Some tasks were easy. One task was a little hard.
What was the hard task?
I had to learn a new program. At first, I did not understand. But I watched a short tutorial. Then it was easier.
So you learned something new today. That is good.
Yes, I felt proud of myself.
What time did you leave work?
I left at 6. I went to the supermarket. I needed some things for dinner.
What did you buy?
I bought pasta, tomatoes, cheese, and some fruit. The supermarket was not very full.
And when you got home?
I put the groceries away. Then I changed into comfortable clothes. I felt much better.
Did you cook right away?
First, I sat on the sofa. I looked at my phone for a few minutes. Then I started cooking.
What did you cook with the pasta?
I made pasta with tomato sauce and cheese. Simple and tasty.
Same style as my dinner.
Maybe we think the same.
And after dinner,
I washed the dishes. Then I watched a short series. Only one episode.
only one? I usually watch 2.
I wanted to sleep earlier. So I stopped after one episode.
Did you do anything before sleep?
I wrote 3 lines in my journal. I wrote what I was grateful for today.
That is a nice habit. What were you grateful for?
I was grateful for my job, for my health, and for good friends like you.
Thank you, Chelsea. I am grateful for you too.
And that was my day. Busy, but good.
So today, we both had full days. It is good to stop and talk. Talking about our day helps the mind relax.
I feel better now. Thank you for listening, Charlie.
And thank you for sharing, Chelsea. Sleep well tonight.
You too.
See you tomorrow.